you are playing delta force and your sound is crackling, too low, or it stutters, this could be happening because your audio drivers are damaged or incompatible, so this can lead to audio glitches, distortions, or no sound at all in delta force. So watch this video to learn how to fix your sound issues in delta force in Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, disable any spatial audio apps like Windows Sonic or Dolby Atmos. First, disable any spatial audio apps like Windows Sonic or Dolby Atmos. Open Start and type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Sound. Select your audio device. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Enhancements tab. Select Disable All Enhancements. Press Apply and then OK. First, open your Start menu. Open Settings. Click on System. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. In the Audio section, press Run. Press Yes to restart your audio services. Press Yes if it resolved your issues. Open Start and type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Sound. Select your audio device. Right-click it and select Properties. Go to the Advanced tab. Now, change the bitrate to CD or DVD quality, or adjust it until you start hearing sound. Press Apply and then OK. Open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click your audio device and click on Properties. Open the Driver tab. Select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for driver software. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select High Definition Audio Device. Press Next, then Yes. Now close the window and restart. First, open your Start menu. Open Settings. Click on System. Click on Sound. Locate the Output section. Here, you can select your default audio device. You can also double-click your audio device to check if it is enabled and allowed to work. You can also click on Add Devices if your audio device is not listed.